Today I'm going to show you how to make mini cheese quiches. For the pastry you will need 200 grams of plain flour, 130 grams of butter at room temperature, 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. To your flour add your butter, and then using the tips of your fingertips you want to press the butter into the flour until it comes together and starts to resemble breadcrumbs. Then add your egg and give it a mix until it starts to come together as a dough. If your dough is still slightly dry, then this is when you'll add your water, just a little bit at a time until you have a nice dough come together. Depending on the size of your egg, you may not need the water. And then once you have a nice dough, just pop this in the fridge for about half an hour just to allow it to chill and firm up. Then we want to roll out our pastry. So to a pre-floured workboard, just roll out your pastry until it is quite thin. Then to a muffin tray, I've just greased 8 of the holes and then just laid a strip of baking paper across. This will just help to lift out each of the quiches as they have baked. Then using a circle cutter that is larger than the hole, just cut out your pastry and then line each hole with your pastry. Just re-roll any scraps of pastry you have just to make additional cases. Then pop these to one side while we make the filling. So for the filling you will need 100 grams of cheddar cheese grated, 2 eggs and 125 millilitres of double cream. To your double cream add your eggs and then give it a really good stir until well combined. Then to your cases, fill each one up with your grated cheese. And then fill each case up with your double cream egg mixture. Then you want to bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll find that your egg mixture does puff up in the oven, but when you take it out, it will slowly deflate as it cools down. And there you have it. That's how you make mini cheese quiches.